In this video, I'm thrilled to walk you through the simple process of logging into your Facebook page. Make sure to stick around until the end to avoid any hiccups, and of course, don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Now, let's jump right in. To begin, open up the Facebook app on your device. If you haven't already signed in, simply enter your email or phone number, followed by your password to access your account. Once you're logged in, it's time to switch from your main Facebook profile to a page. To do this, navigate to the menu option. You will typically find this represented by 3 horizontal lines or a similar icon. It may display your name, indicating you are currently on your personal profile. And now tap on the menu icon and you will see a drop-down list showcasing your main profile along with any pages you manage. And to switch to a specific page, just tap on it. After a brief moment, you will be seamlessly transitioned to your chosen page. From there, you are all set to navigate your page and carry out any actions you need, whatever is responding to messages, posting updates, or engaging with your audience. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.